So, blurring is like a weakening of mark's ability to identify and distinguish goods or services, right. So, here that dilution is like that the marks that ability of identifying and distinguishing that good or services is a blur. Okay, that is a one. And second, like a tarnishment, what is the meaning of that? That association of mark with the inferior, or that is that the product's quality is not there. So, it is a inferior product or a service. For example, luxury brands mark on low quality offensive product. So, that kind of a situation may be there. So, what happens here? Somebody is, means this is a dilution. Somebody is, your competitor may also play with your trademark, and there may be possibility that they will do this tarnishment of your trademark, that purposely somebody will do the usage